Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. So as we can see, a lot of new vehicles, but one thing, the update is not going to be coming out this weekend. Normally it would, but it is going to be coming out next week. So yeah, update coming out next weekend actually. But yeah, we have a couple new vehicles here. We'll be checking them out. So first we have a 2021 BMW X6M. Look at this car, it looks amazing. I think I'm gonna buy this car. I feel like this is a nice family car, pretty sporty, and it looks really nice, especially with some black side mirrors right here. I feel like this car would look really cool, really nice if it was actually not lowered. If it had maybe some different rims, but these rims already look really nice. I love the white on the X6M here. Pretty nice. Yeah. And then we have a 1988 Toyota 4Runner. This car looks pretty nice. Probably be a amazing off-road car, but yeah, really nice looking car. I love these tires and rims. Makes the car look really nice. But yeah, pretty nice. And we have a 2017 Chevy SS. Look at this car, it looks amazing. Really nice. Probably be a pretty fun daily driver, honestly. Yeah, pretty cool. And we have a 2013 BMW M5, pretty normal, probably a good daily driver. Pretty nice. I like the rims, really nice. And then we have a 2011 BMW 1M. This car looks so nice. Look at these rims. Love these rims. Big fan of these rims. If this car was lowered, oh my, this car would look so nice. Maybe a different color also, but amazing car. And then we have a limited car, 2014 Ford Mustang GT500 Marshall Edition. This car's looking nice. These rims here look fire. Lower this car, looks amazing. And this colorway is already really nice. So yeah, pretty nice car, limited car, really nice. And then we have a convertible 2013 Ford Mustang GT. Car has an interior, everything. Two rows of seats. This blue color is amazing, but yeah, pretty nice car. And we have a 2013 Ford Mustang GT500 Super Snake. Look at this car, pretty nice. I feel like this car would look really nice lowered, different rims, but this colorway looks pretty nice. But yeah, pretty nice. And then we have the normal 2013 Ford Mustang GT. Also pretty nice cars, lots of Mustangs. And we have the 2018 Chevy Camaro Z01, the Exorcist. This car has 1,000 horsepower. I think this car would maybe come out this update, but yeah, this car is pretty nice. But yeah, let's hop over to the Southwest Florida Discord and check out some things there. Alright, here we are in the Southwest Florida Discord. We got the X6M right here, pretty nice. We have the some Mustangs here, the two GT500s, really nice. We have this car, not sure what it is. And we have this car, I think this is a Tesla Roadster. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And we got some more BMWs. We already checked this out last future updates video. So yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.